Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you want to start your freelancing journey as a B2B lead generation expert, so this video for you. So maybe you are thinking you need a start to side hustle, or you can start an online business. So it's a big challenge for you as a student or beginner because we don't have enough money to create a website. We're hiring some freelancers to grow my businesses. So that's why you can grow your skill and then you can sell the skill. That is the pretty simple things, and it's happened in 2025. You are a job holder, you are a student, okay, so you can start your freelancing journey. So in this video I will show you step by step what kind of skills do you need to start a freelancing journey, like especially for B2B lead generation expert. So one of my YouTube viewers just commented that and just want to know that B2B lead generation expert and how to start and how much money you can make as a B2B lead generation expert. I will share with you guys all of my experiences. I know the do's and don'ts and as a freelancer. Okay, so right now I am in the freelancing marketplace. It's called, so I will show you the exactly and practically what is B2B lead generation expert, what is B2B lead generation. Okay, first of all I will show you the marketplace. That's mean what kind of B2B lead generation are available on marketplace that are offering by freelancers. So if you visit Fiverr or Upwork or any other marketplace, so you can find, but one of the easiest way is Fiverr as a beginner. So just visit the Fiverr and you will see the business category, and under the business you will see sales and customer care and lead generation. So let's click on lead generation. So in this video I just let you know how to be a lead generation expert and what kind of lead generation jobs and how much you can make and what kind of skills do you need to start this kind of freelancing job. Okay, so Fiverr, why Fiverr? Because Fiverr is the second largest marketplace after the Upwork, and it's very easy to as a beginner. That's mean user friendly. Okay, so this is the page lead generation, and you will see the number of results. That's mean the freelancers, they are already offering 20k results. That's mean 20k gigs. It's called gigs. So scroll down and you will see all the gigs. All right, so let's explore some gigs, how it's look like and how they create. Okay, so let's open the first one. I will do targeted B2B lead generation prospect list email list. So let's open the another one, and let's open the another one. It's okay, Fiverr choice. All right, so this is the first freelancers that I got. This is called title, it's called gig, and this is the title. I will do targeted B2B lead generation prospect list and email list building, and he's a level 2 seller, and got reviews 1799 reviews. That's amazing, at 4.8 reviews out of 5, and 2 orders in queue. That's mean he's still now 2 orders. And this is the price section, guys. Basic price is $10. For $10 he will provide 50 leads. Okay, so if you don't know leads, what is leads and how it's look, so don't worry, I will show you later. And this is the standard price, $40 up to 5% discount, and for $40 he will provide 200 leads, and it's a premium, 500 for $100. He will provide 500 leads and buyer will be charged $100. So you can calculate how much he already earned about this gig. So this is about, that's mean this is the services what he provide and what he don't. So you can read it out and it's pretty easy, you can easily understand. This is the section I will do email list building in below steps. Find email leads from various sources, find them based on the requirement, find email address on targeted prospect list, and verify them myself. 3 things that buyer should provide, like a targeted any industry, location, and job title. And how I collect targeted prospect list, these are the tools that already he used and he is still now using. These are the tools. It's called a lead generation tools or email collecting tools or B2B lead generation tools or sales tools, whatever you say. Okay, so I have already a playlist section in my YouTube channel. You can search lead generation tools, you will see, and check it out. And how I verify email leads, and this is the email verify tools. I have already the playlist section. All right, and these are the format that he collected, and it would be a Google spreadsheet or a Excel file. Here you can see I will provide B2B leads by Excel, CSV, Google spreadsheet, and into the spreadsheet these columns will be available. Okay, so I think you have some ideas about this gig. That's mean what's the lead generation like. Buyer will need some industry C-level person like owner, founder. Okay, and buyer will come to Fiverr and maybe he will hire, and then he will get some titles or business location. So let's see, buyer will need a plumber owner from California. So this is the title, owner would be the title, location California, and industry is plumber. And then he will took the order and he will use this kind of tools, and then he will find and he will verify the email address, and he will find all the information, and it will be a Excel or CSV file, and he will deliver to the buyer. That's it, pretty simple. I think one of the easiest job right now. Okay, so as a beginner, as a new seller, so it's easy, so that's why competition will be very higher. So the problem is your fast order, and then you will see the results, and you will practice and you will follow all the guidelines, then you will get this kind of numbers. I will show you the another one. It's FAQ, so you can read it out, and all the reviews you can read it out. Okay, so you can see the 1 month ago, this is the buyer name from UK, and this is the buyer review, 3-star review. This is the buyer name, he's from Canada, and this is the buyer review. All right, USA, India. Okay, so you will see all the buyers name, buyers review, also repeat client. Alright guys, and this is the second one that I opened. I will do B2B lead generation and find valid emails from LinkedIn, and he has already 3 orders in queue, Fiverr choice, and top rated. Wow, fantastic. And 725 reviews. I think he has more gigs. This is the basic price, $15 for 100, and this is the standard, 1000 leads for 100 and 5000 for 500. So it depends on the freelancers. Okay, so you can give a less price, also you can get higher price. It's depend on you, and you will see the differences between the first one and second one, the total difference. Okay, the different, but you will see the similarities. That's mean the services and tools and resources similar. Okay, and why you should hire him. And the next part is who can start. Anyone can start, a student, housewife, job holder. And what should you learn? Learn should the B2B lead generation tools that I already discussed about. Okay, and how we can use this kind of tools, watch my other videos, you will learn. And the problem is the Fiverr gig, how we can create the Fiverr gig. Okay, so comment below, I will come back with another tutorials how we create the Fiverr gigs and etc., like keyword research, image design. Okay, how we can write the unique gig about. Okay, how we can add the FAQ section. These are the things you have to learn. Okay, so this is the B2B lead generation service you can learn and you can provide as a freelancer in 2025. And lead generation industry is really high right now, because business profile come to the Fiverr and they will hire the lead generation expert for their businesses. Okay, it's all about businesses, because everyone wants to grow their businesses, more sales. Okay, and why it's B2B? Because most of the people are owner, they come to sell their big businesses like B2B business, big products to the another businesses. That's why it's called B2B businesses. That's why what I see on lead generation is that you have to find the person like C-level person, top decision maker person, their location, industry. Either you can use by manual Google search, also you can use different kind of tools that we already see the tools. Okay, so I think you got an idea and you got a proper example of lead generation. So if you have any still now queries, please comment below and what would be the next part, so that I can clearly understand and I can help you. Okay, so if you find this video is helpful, don't forget to share and subscribe this channel. So I will come back with another tutorial, so stay tuned. Have a good day. Tata, bye bye.